talks about how do we make this web design responsive, which means, today we use this website in a lot of different devices. It is not limited to one device or one screen size. I might be using a laptop. I might also connect equally to a big monitor. Like I'm on the go. I might be browsing in mobile also. So today the default expectation for web design, I'm saying default expectation, is to be responsive. Yeah. So this is to be responsive. So what exactly meaning responsive? Yeah. In simple words, that application should be usable in all screen sizes and devices. So let's say I use an application. I should be able to browse it in mobile also. Meaning I should be able to use it. I should be able to use the same way, in which I'm going to use it in a desktop or in a tablet. Or today even TV world is also there, correct? No, people can access from TV also. And TVs have again varying size. 32 inch is almost becoming the default. More than that, I mean, we got very, very big TVs. 55, 42, 43.
Yes, sir.
So they're also, so it's not limited. We don't know. Okay. So making your web page, yeah, usable across different screen size and device is actually the concept of responsive design.